Good afternoon. Myself Dr. Ranjit Thoral. Today I am going to explain my journey in homeopathy. I started my practice in 2008 at Daun. After passing out in 2005, I practiced with my guru Dr. Prakash Shinde at Kolhapur for 1.5 years. Then I started at my practice at Daun. After starting my practice, I found that I am unable to cure many diseases. After 2 or 3 years of the practice, that I am unable to cure many diseases. I am unable to understand many concepts. Then I studied again. Then I joined Praful Vijayakar's predictive homeopathy. Then in predictive homeopathy, there are the three miasms: psora, psychosis, syphilis, and these miasm they apply on the basis of symptoms, that syphilitic symptoms, psychotic symptom, psoric symptom, destructive symptom is syphilitic symptom, excess symptom is psychotic symptom, and functional symptom is psoric symptoms. And these concepts all I studied for 3 to 5 years. And then again I found that there is no consistent result with that system. I am engaged in searching syphilitic symptom, like syphilitic mentals first, and then generals and particulars. And after 5 years, I left that system and then started studying Dr. Sankaran, Rajan Shankaran's system master course. I have done his master course for 6 months, and small courses, his online courses, his videos, his books. I purchased all his books and his softwares, and found that there are 10 miasms, so many miasms. Then I found that this is little simple than this syphilitic rubric and psychotic rubric founding, but miasm differentiated into 10 miasm, and started practicing. But again I found that this method is also not result oriented. It is also giving result somewhat extent but not complete. Then I am not in that much satisfaction. Then again I found that there is one method, that is Virgin Homeopathy by Dr. Dharmendra Chak, and I started studying. I have done his course of Virgin Homeopathic Scientific Coaching for 6 months, and then again started practicing. In Virgin Homeopathy, I found that Dr. Dharmendra Chak has studied homeopathy in Hahnemannian way, as it is, homeopathy as it is. That is, Hahnemann has given importance to psora only, and psychosis and syphilitis are the syphilitic miasms are the venereal miasm. Hahnemann has given only importance to psora, and two miasms are venereal miasm, and he took 12 years for the discovery of the psora, and studied 2500 years literature. Then he wrote down 492 symptoms of psora, and how to treat this psora. Is all this stuff given in Theory of Chronic Diseases, and how to cure psora, and with antipsoric medicines, 48 antipsoric medicines in 171 aphorism. He also mentioned that in order to cure the psora, you require series of antipsoric medicines in homeopathy. And then I started applying this concept, and I found that I am able to cure psora in many patients. Those patients previously, like allergies, common cold, I am unable to cure allergic patient previous to system of medicine. But after studying this Hahnemann's Virgin Homeopathy by Dr. Dharmendra Chak, I am able to cure so many cases. Though those cases I was not able to cure previously, I am now curing, and I am getting satisfactory results, because this system is Hahnemann's system, not his own system. He is only what I can say, he is a really genius, and he rediscovered Hahnemann's homeopathy. Actually, Hahnemann's homeopathy, no one is practicing Hahnemann way. All practicing different way, like mind method, predictive method, Sankaran's method, Segal's method, Vitolka's method, but I studied all the methods and I found that no system is perfect. But Hahnemann's method, that discovered by Dr. Dharmendra Chak sir, is really effective and really fantastic, and I am practicing on the basis of Hahnemann's method, Dr. Dharmendra Chak method. Dharmendra Chak sir is really legend in the homeopathy, real legend. I am very thankful to Dr. Dharmendra Chak for rediscovering homeopathic science and giving us this great science as it is. As it is. That's all. Thank you.